Today we'll be checking out the tag feature on the IDVisor V2. There are two ways to tag a customer. You could tag them directly after scanning their ID from the main screen, or you could tag them at a later point through the Scan Data and Search tabs. Let's start by scanning the ID. From here you can press the Tag button and choose one of the tags from the 9 preset options. Let's say that we want to ban this customer. From here you can also add a note about the customer, so we could specify that this person's behavior is rude. You can also add an expiration date for the tag, so you could say that this customer is banned for 3 months or until a specific date. Once you hit save, when you scan the ID again, the tag will pop up.
ID tagged.
As you can see, this pop-up has an OK button that must be pressed in order for the tag to go away. This is crucial because the user must acknowledge the customer's tag, ensuring that no tags are overlooked. If you want to tag a customer's ID after you've already scanned them, whether it be hours or days later, you can do so through the Scan Data tab. For example, if you review security footage and want to tag a customer after starting a fight, you can do so by cross-referencing the timestamp of the video with the scan log in order to identify the person. Once you click on the customer you're looking for in the scan log, you're brought to the same interface that allows you to customize your tag. Additionally, you can use the search button to find a customer, rather than scrolling through the scan log. Here, you can search the customer by name and tag them. If you would like to create a new custom tag, you can do so from the Setup tab. From here, you can access the tag list, which is secured by the user's PIN code. You can add a new tag by pressing the button on the top of the screen, which allows you to customize the message for your tag. If you want to share these tags, you can check out our video on exporting tags for more information. And that's how to create tags with the IDVisor V2. Interested in our products? Visit IDScanner.com for more information.